Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be part one of the starting of a new series using CorelDraw 2018. I'm going to show you how to get started on this and a few tips and tricks, and this is probably going to be like 20-part series. Whatever it takes for you to upload the CorelDraw. This isn't going to be a tutorial of how to upload, but I'm going to just assume that everybody knows how to upload the software. This is the icons that come with this, the different types of software that is included with this CorelDraw 2018. Corel Connect, Corel Capture, Corel Photo Paint, Corel Font Manager, plus the normal Corel software. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. I'm going to double click right here. You see this big old picture come up right here, CorelDraw 2018. And here we go. This is what you should get when you first open up the video, when you first open up the software. You'll have this welcome screen, new document, new from template, and open document. We're going to bypass this right here first. Come up here to Tools, double click or single click, go to Customization. Here you have all these different categories here. So we're going to start with Appearance. Right here you'll see the size. You see the size of everything I have right here. I'm going to just show you what it does. Everything gets bigger. That's way too big. Anyway, customize this to what you feel comfortable with. Down here we have the theme, medium. There are four different themes: light, medium, dark, and black. This is the light. I'm going to use the medium. You see up here, this changes color. Go to dark. There you go. This might be good for some people. I might try this for a while. I'm not sure. But if you go to dark, that might be good too. I kind of like this one. But for tutorial purposes, we are going to go to medium. Window border. Let's just go and say, let's go make that black. See what it did around the window. Change that. Desktop. I'm going to leave that at white. X out of that. Go here to General. Keep these two radio buttons checked. Click on this one. And the bottom one. These are just my settings. You might want to work with these to your likings. Okay, here's the regular 150, the undo levels. Bitmap effects is on 2. Let's go to tablet mode. I'm not working on a tablet, so I'm just going to skip over that one. Here we go. Proof colors by default. The only ones I have checked are use off-screen image, auto panning, and show toolbars. Down here, full screen preview, enhanced view, and show page border. So default, okay, zoom. Let's go here to edit. Constraint angle is at 150. Drawing precision is at 3 decimal plate pieces. Minimum extrude facet size. Okay. Nodes and handles. I'm going to change my node size to medium. Node shape. The cusp I'm going to put at a square. Smooth I'm going to put at a circle. Symmetrical, it's going to stay at a diamond. Okay, down here, color scheme, I'm going to leave those blue and red. Power clip frame, let's just leave those at the default radio buttons. Snap to objects, I have all of these checked, and once you play around with it, you might want to uncheck some of these. But you definitely want the midpoint, the center, the node, to edge. You definitely want some of those checked. Warnings. All of these are checked to the default. VBA. Just, I'm going to leave those alone. Save. Now this is very important. Backup original file before saving. You want that checked. And make sure this one's same folder as original file. Auto backup. Backup on every default. It says 20 minutes. I'm going to change that to 5 minutes. I'm sure you'll have instances where you're glad you changed that to 5 minutes. Ask when giving keep appearance suitable for limited edits. We're going to keep that one checked and this one checked. Power trace. We're going to higher quality or higher performance. We're just going to go up here to the second button, second stage right here. Plugins. Toolbox. Okay. We're going to come back to this one. Customization. Global. Okay. We'll just put OK on the. Okay, we have everything set. We're going to make it now where this does not show up every time you open up a CorelDraw. So we're going to go here to Tools, Options, General. Right here, it says Getting Started. Welcome Screen, that is what is on now. We're going to put Nothing. Hit OK. Now you'll see how this one comes up. I'm going to X out of here and show you what happens now. I'm going to start this over again. Here we go. Now see, now it doesn't have that welcome screen when you first sign in. Okay, next we're going to come up here to Windows. Go down to Toolbars. You'll see the ones that I have checked. I'm going to go ahead and add that one. And we're going to go to Toolbars again and add the zoom. You see it added these up here. Looks good. You can decide which one of these you don't like or do like. But for the time being, let's just go ahead and leave these, and you might want to change yours later on. Okay. We're going to go over what all these different buttons mean in different videos. This is just how to set up your CorelDraw. So we're going to go to File, New. There we go. Now, did you see what just happened? Okay, New. You'll see this page come up. And if you remember, we put a black border around this window. This shows you what the page size that you're going to start out with. You can change this, and you can elect to do not show this dialog again. For the time being, I'm just going to leave it as it is. And you can come up to here You can change your size. Let's see here. We have a legal size, letter size, just whatever you might need. I'm pretty sure there's a business card in here. Yep. Japanese business card. Don't know what that is. But anyway, most of my drawings and most home computers will have a printer that prints 8.5 by 11. So I just usually leave that as the letter, 8.5 by 11. You'll see right here. Just leave that as your basic setup. Anyway, that's the basic setup on CorelDraw. Give yours a shot. You might want to adjust it. You might want to change it to settings similar to mine, or might not. See right here. Just leave that as your basic setup. Anyway, that's the basic setup on CorelDraw. Give yours a shot. You might want to adjust it. You might want to change it to settings similar to mine, or might not. Your decision. This is Carl. This is tip number 1, or step number 1, in using CorelDraw. I do appreciate you being here.